Eh, direct. Wait, stanza ko. Wala.
Beach.
That's English. Dynamic in the film is very intense. Yeah, and it's making me so impressed. Yeah, thank you so much, guys.
Salamat, Sir. Miss Iris, thank you so much. Salamat, salamat. Thank you po. Sana nagustuhan niyo po. Maraming salamat.
Guys, one more time please for our Viva actors. Thank you everyone sa lahat po na mabubuo nitong pelikulang The Please Palakpakan po natin sila. And sa inyo pong lahat, this is for you guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Thank you for the love.
Sana may susunod pa. Direct, sana may susunod pa.
All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. July 3 in cinemas nationwide. Hashtag is Kumantong and hashtag Kumantong Premiere Night. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Have a good rest of the evening. Bye!
Direct, pwede pa picture. Picture mo ba?
Congrats, Miss Iris. Grabe. Congrats, Direxia.
Thank you.
Ang hirap Ang hirap mag-dance. Oo, sa kabila kami.
Gina!
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, Dian. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Hindi kasama sa atin? Ano?
May pangkaya lang ako din. Hindi daw ako kasama.
Okay. Okay, wagi na. Tara.
Si Madam hindi doon ako. Si Madam hindi doon ako.
Miss Iris, what can you say na finally na show na? See? Anong cinema kayo?
6. Late ako eh.
Video lang yan, di video mo lang yan.
Ah, ganyan na lang.
Kasi picture na lang.
Asan na sila? Okay, last one. Thank you. Ma.
Take a picture.
Dito meet.
Max here. Thank you, Dai.